Did you know the average person thinks they're better with money than they actually are, but still lives paycheck to paycheck? Crazy, right? But here's the truth. We don't go broke because of just low income. We stay broke because of the tiny lies we keep telling ourselves. Harmless little beliefs that sound reasonable, but slowly eat away at our financial future. In this video, we're going to reveal 10 dangerous money lies that people unknowingly live by, and how to replace them with wealth-building truths. Stay till the end because I'll give you a powerful self-audit framework you can start using today to clean up your money mindset and take real control of your financial future. Lie number 1, I deserve this. Imagine this. You're stressed after a hard week. You see a $400 designer jacket online. It's not in the budget, but you whisper to yourself, I've worked hard, I deserve it. And click, order placed. You start justifying wants as needs. But here's the problem. Deserving something doesn't mean you can afford it. According to a survey, over 60% of Americans earning $100K plus live paycheck to paycheck. This isn't about income, it's about impulse. Would future you still deserve that item, or would they prefer a solid investment or savings cushion? Swap I deserve this with my future deserves better. You'll begin making decisions your future self thanks you for, not curses you for. Number 2, I'll save when I earn more. Ravi is 28. He makes $3,000 per month. He says once he hits $5,000 per month, he'll start saving. At 30, he hits that mark. Still no savings. Because guess what? His lifestyle inflated just as fast. Harvard research calls this the earn more, spend more trap. Lifestyle creep eats your raise before you notice. Let's be honest. How many times have you said, I'll start saving once I earn more? The book, The Psychology of Money, nails it. Building wealth has little to do with your income or investment returns, and lots to do with your savings rate. Think about it. Lottery winners often go broke in 5 years, while janitors retire millionaires. Why? One understood the power of discipline. The other thought more money was the fix. The key is starting now, not later. Even billionaire Warren Buffett started investing at age 11 with just $38. Stop waiting for a miracle paycheck. Start respecting the money you already have. Build the muscle of saving now, no matter how small. Number 3, investing is risky. Let's kill the myth once and for all. Investing isn't risky, ignorance is. People love to say, investing is risky. I'd rather keep my money safe in a savings account. What's riskier? Investing $500 in an index fund or letting $500 sit in a savings account losing value to inflation? Inflation is silently stealing your money every single day. So if you're waiting for the perfect time or fearing a crash, understand this. The market rewards the patient, not the perfect. Start small, stay consistent, automate it, and let compound growth do the magic. Poor mindset says, what if I lose money? Rich mindset says, what if I miss the opportunity to grow? Not investing is a guaranteed way to lose money to inflation. Investing is risky only if you don't learn about it. Number 4, I can't afford to invest. Saying I can't afford to invest is like saying I'll wait to swim until I stop drowning. It's backwards. Most people believe investing is only for the rich. But here's the truth. It's how the rich got there. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, investing even small amounts is your only escape route. Most millionaires weren't high earners. They were disciplined savers who consistently invested, often starting with as little as $50 per month. Arjun, a delivery driver earning $2,000 per month, he cut down just $5 a day from his overall expenses and redirected that into a monthly $150 mutual fund. 10 years later, he didn't just have over $30,000. He had the mindset of an investor. You're not too broke to invest. You're too comfortable with excuses. Cut the wants. Prioritize the future. Because $1 invested today is better than 10 saved someday. Number 5, more money will solve all my problems. We've all thought it. If I just had more money, everything would be fine. But here's the uncomfortable truth. More money doesn't solve money problems. It magnifies them. If you're bad with $1,000, you'll be worse with $10,000. Why? Because it's not about the amount, it's about your behavior. Morgan Housel writes, "Doing well with money has little to do with how smart you are and a lot to do with how you behave." People keep chasing raises, bonuses, or side hustles thinking more income will buy them peace. Let's talk examples. Kunal doubled his income in 2 years but also doubled his expenses. Bigger car, flashier apartment, designer stuff. 2 years later, he's still broke, only now broke with a better wardrobe. The real fix isn't earning more, it's learning more. Get control over your habits and money will follow your command, not chaos. So don't wish for more money. Build a version of yourself that can handle it first. Number 6. Debt is just a part of life. Let's break this belief. Sure, some debt is strategic, like a business loan or real estate leverage. But consumer debt? It's a wealth killer. Most people casually say, debt is just a part of life, as if owing money is as normal as paying taxes. But here's the raw truth. Debt is not a lifestyle. It's a silent thief that steals your future income. In The Total Money Makeover, Dave Ramsey warns, debt is dumb and cash is king. Yet millions treat credit cards, EMIs, and car loans like essentials. This mindset keeps people on a financial treadmill, running hard but never moving forward. Instead of building wealth, you're building interest for someone else. The longer you normalize debt, the harder it becomes to escape it. Interest is money you give to the rich because of impatience. True freedom begins where debt ends. If you think debt is a tool, ask yourself, who's actually being used? Number 7. I'm too young or too old to start. Whether you're 18 or 58, one of the most damaging lies you can tell yourself is, I'm too young to start, or I'm too old to change. This mindset quietly kills progress. Wealth doesn't care about your age, it only rewards action. The longer you delay because of age, the harder it becomes to break the cycle. Young people think they have plenty of time, so they waste their most powerful asset, compound interest. Older folks think it's too late, so they give up and stay stuck. Both are lies. Your time starts when you start. Starting late is better than not starting. Excuses age you faster than time ever will. Whether you're planting a tree or building wealth, the best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. Number 8. I'm just not good with money. Final lie, the most dangerous one. This isn't a fact, it's a belief, and beliefs can be changed. Emily grew up watching her parents struggle. She told herself she'd never understand money, but in her 30s, she read finance books, gained knowledge. She automated savings, paid off debt, and now teaches others. She changed her story. You weren't born knowing how to walk, talk, or ride a bike, but you learned. Stop saying you're bad with money. Start becoming good at it. Now here's what you've been waiting for. Take 10 minutes after this video and ask yourself, which of these lies do I catch myself saying? What's one small habit I can change this week to rewrite that lie? Who can I talk to, or what book can I read to reinforce this new belief? The rich aren't just lucky, they think differently. And now, so can you. If you're serious about getting rich, it's not just about watching this video, it's about applying everything we've shared. Check out our previous videos and make sure to subscribe for more insights. If this video inspired you, like it, share it with your loved ones. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next video. Until then, keep growing wealth.